Let's learn the word zip and its multiple meanings and uses.
Sure, it sounds like a common word. What does it mean?
Zip has several meanings. As a noun, it refers to a device used in clothing or bags to open and close parts of them. As a verb, it means to fasten something using a zip. In computing, it means to compress a file so it takes up less space. It can describe moving very quickly. It can also mean showing a lot of energy and enthusiasm.
That's a lot of meanings. Could you explain each with a story?
Of course. Let's take them one at a time. Imagine you're getting ready for a party, and you're wearing your favorite jacket. As you pull the small tag along the teeth, the zip fastener closes the jacket snugly, keeping you warm and stylish. Now, imagine you're packing a suitcase for a trip. After carefully arranging your clothes, you zip the suitcase shut, making sure everything stays secure. Now imagine you're working on a project with many files, and you need to send them to your friend. To make the transfer quicker, you zip the files into a single, smaller folder and send it through email. Imagine you're late for class, so you hop on your bike. Pedaling fast, you zip through the streets, weaving past traffic and reaching just in time. Finally, imagine it's the finals of a football game, and your team's star player enters the field. They have zip full of energy and excitement and inspire the entire team to play their best. Let's see how zip can be used in different situations. The zip on my jacket got stuck in the cold weather. She zipped her backpack shut before heading to school. I had to zip the large folder before sending it as an email attachment. The motorbike zipped past us on the highway.
So, zip can describe a fastening device, a fast movement, computer file compression, and even energy.
Exactly. It's a versatile word with so many meanings depending on the context.
I'll be sure to use it when I encounter zippers, fast movements, or even enthusiastic people.
That's the spirit. Keep zipping through new words like this one.